So my name is Parish and I have here today a 1989 Pontiac Trans Am. This car is a little bit different because this car is a 20th anniversary Pontiac Trans Am, and this car is the only Trans Am to be built with a V6. And the V6 engine that is in the car were essentially leftovers from the Buick Grand National program. So Pontiac sourced the last 1,500 or so of the turbo V6s and put them in this car. The fact that it's the anniversary car, it was also chosen to be the official pace car from the 1989 Indy 500. This car is an actual festival car, and what denotes this car being a festival car is the fact that it's a T-top and cloth interior car. I've found this car in 1992. I've had the car all this time. The car is very much original, very much unrestored, very much as built when the car came off the assembly line in 1988.